Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing Risoni meatball bake. Really simple, really quick, and really inexpensive little dish. Here I've got 500 grams worth of beef and pork mince. I'm going to add in about half a teaspoon's worth of pepper and half a teaspoon's worth of salt. I'm going to add in a little dash, maybe a quarter teaspoon, maybe half a teaspoon's worth of allspice and nutmeg, and I'm also going to add in just a little dash of some Italian herbs. Alright, probably about a teaspoon and a half's worth. Now all we have to do now is get our hands in there and mix up all of those little spices and ingredients together and get them all nicely incorporated. So just get your hands in, work that through, and you'll actually start to feel everything change. The fat from the pork's going to start melting down, and so is the beef, and we're going to end up with a really nice sticky mixture to make amazing meatballs. Alright, little ice cream scoop. I'm just going to take a little scoop off, try and make it nice and even, just like that, and all I'm simply going to do is roll those between my palms. I use the ice cream scoop so we end up with pretty much exactly the same size meatballs all the way through, give or take maybe a couple of millimeters or so. Right, there you go, you've got your first meatball. All we have to do now is continue along with the rest of them, and it's not going to take you very long at all, and at least you know what's going to be in your meatballs. A little dash of olive oil that can go in. I'm going to be cooking this at a medium type heat, and all we have to do is basically just brown these meatballs off. So just pop them into the pan just like that. If it doesn't look like it's sizzling yet, it will, believe me. And we're also going to be rendering off a bit of the tallow out of the beef, that's beef fat, and a little bit of the pork fat as well. So just give those a nice little gentle cook, and give them a turn from time to time. Just make sure they're not sticking to your pan. Okay, so we're just going to cook these meatballs off probably around about 8 to 9 minutes in total. We're not going to cook them all the way through. We want to keep these a little bit juicy. Right, as you can see, we've got a little bit of brownage happening, and we're sealing in all that nice fat and all that beautiful flavour onto the inside. So when this dish is finished and you be cut into these, there's still going to be a nice bit of yield and a nice bit of juiciness to them. Okay, so just keep cooking those along. As I said, you can see, look at them, they're moving free like they would be in the wild. I don't know where you get meatballs in the wild, I digress. We're going to take those out now. They're cooked around about 75% of the way through. They've still got a little bit of give to them, but that doesn't matter. It's going to keep cooking for a little bit more time. One brown onion, which I've just given that a rough chop, right? That can go straight in, and all we have to simply do is give those a bit of a cook until they go a little bit translucent. Okay, so as you can see, the onions are starting to change colour. I'm going to add in about 3 to 4 cloves of freshly crushed garlic. That can go straight in. A little bit of fennel seeds, about half a teaspoon's worth, and we're also going to add in just a little bit of Italian herbs, probably about a tablespoon's worth. Right, so just give all of that a little bit more of a stir, just like that. Okay, and as you can see, things are starting to dry out a little bit. I'm going to add in around about 1 cup's worth of dry red wine, about half a cup's worth. That can go straight in just like that. Use the red wine that you like. It doesn't have to be anything special, but I just like to use a bit of Merlot. Right, so we're going to cook that down just like that. Okay, as you can see, we've got a nice little bit of simmerage happening, and here I've got 1.5 cups worth of Risoni. Okay, you can get that from your local supermarket easily. Just give all of that a bit of a stir through. You can see the Risoni is already starting to soak up any of that liquid and oils and fats that we have in that pan, and that is just flavour. Right, I'm going to add in 400 grams worth of tomato passata. I make my own. I buy a 400 gram can of diced tomatoes, put that in my food processor, give that a blitz, and you've got the most natural passata that you could hope for. Alright, put that in and give all of that a good stir through, just like that. And now I'm going to add in 2 cups worth of beef stock. That can go straight in as well. Alright, pretty simple sort of stuff at the moment. So just give that a little bit of a stir through from time to time. Make sure we're not sticking on the bottom of our pan. Now that pan is an oven safe fry pan. Make sure you do that, so don't quit watching the video until you get to that point. And as you can see, I've got a little bit of simmerage happening, which is absolutely perfect. I'm going to return our meatballs back into the pool, just like that. Okay, now my oven is already sitting at 180 degrees, and that is exactly what we want, and that is Celsius, not Fahrenheit. Alright, so we're just going to add our little meatballs in, just like that, giving it a bit of simmerage. I'm going to add in just a few little cherry tomatoes, about 125 to 150 grams worth. Those little cherry tomatoes can just go in just like that, and they'll cook off and explode and release their beautiful flavors into this dish, right, while we continue cooking. Alright, so pop those in and be nice and safe, and carefully put that into the oven. We're going to cook that off for around about 25 to 30 minutes or so, and it's going to end up looking like that. A few fresh basil leaves over the top, that's for colour and for flavour. Serve that up with a little bit of garlic bread on the side. It works absolutely perfect. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like the video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get the name of KPsKINGDOM out there. Please leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make something really easy and a nice twist on an Italian or Mediterranean classic just like this, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to eat my Risoni Meatball bake, and I will catch you next time. Bye.